we're in the segment of intercession for others. Today, we remember all those who have recovered from life-threatening illnesses. Thank God for their recovery and pray for the perfection of their health. Do you know anyone, maybe a friend, a relative, a neighbor, a colleague in the office who has recovered from a life-threatening illness? Thank God on their behalf and pray that their healings will be permanent, because the Lord will perfect that which concerns them, because His mercy is forever. He will not forsake the works of His own hands. So therefore, commit them into the hands of God and ask that the Lord will perfect those things that concern them. Pray. Pray for family members. Pray for friends. Pray for those who have recovered from illnesses. Pray that the healing will be permanent. Give thanks to God on their behalf.